Hello children, today we are going to start with the chapter number 3, knowing about the map. What is the map? It is what it is. It is a drawn flat what. Now we will study about the map. What is map? What it is a diagrammatic representation of our country. So let's study about, we have read in our earlier chapter that globe is a small model of the earth and map shows the most accurate shape, size and location. However, globe has several shortcomings. It is difficult to carry globe. आप हर एक place पे globe को carry नहीं कर सकते, but you can carry map easily, right? So a book of map, what we call a book of map, it is known as globe. What we call a book of map, it is called atlas. So why do people prefer to use a map than a globe? Because they are easy to carry. Now map. What is map? It is a drawing on a flat surface. A map mainly helps us to see where one place is in relation to another. So normally maps are used to overcome the problem posed by a globe. So maps can show a large variety of things like mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, valley and water bodies. Right? So we have 3 different types of map. What are these? Political maps, physical map and thematic map. So map can be of different size and shape. Map is needed very handy. It can easily be folded and rolled or put in the book. We can see a number of maps in an atlas which provide all kinds of information. Let's know about some of them. What map shows? Boundaries of countries, states and other important cities. Map also shows, it is a political map. Map also shows land like mountains, rivers and plants. What plains? What we call them? Physical map. And map shows crops grown, mineral found. That is a thematic map, right? Then we have direction and subdirection. Direction we talk about top pe north, bottom pe south, your left, west and east on the right. We have subdirection also in the between. North और east के बीच में क्या lie करता है? North east. South और east के बीच में क्या lie करता है? That is south east. South और west के बीच में south west और north और west के बीच में northwest. These are the different directions. When we look at the map, we use the words east, west, north, south, right? So let's study about these primary direction also. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. We are using a map. What you will found? Himalaya and Tibet in the north, Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka in the south. और east में आपका क्या lie करता है? West Bengal and your Gujarat in the Arabian Sea. Like this, if we talk about east, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh lies. Now scale. Maps are always drawn according to some scale. A map without a scale, what it is? Sketch. Every map is free to represent distance in its own way. So that is why every map has to indicate how to measure distance between 2 places. The size of maps depends upon what? Scale. Chosen to represent. The scale of map, what it is? It is ratio between distance shown on the map and the ground distance. So the scale is provided in the corner of the map, a scale of 1 centimeter representing 100 kilometer. Another way to show the scale is to draw a line with number marked on it at a regular interval. So each number is proportionate for the distance it represents. Let's study about the colors. We use different colors in the map to show different physical features. If we talk about water bodies like ocean, seas, lakes, always show in blue color. Plains and lowlands in green color. Mountains and highland in brown and yellow color. Dark brown shows high mountain. Light brown क्या show करता है? Lower mountains, hills. And yellow color shows plateaus. Right? Like see the different symbols. So you also use different symbols to represent different things. Like, so we use symbol dot dashes drawing depicts places. The sign and symbols, what we call them? Conventional symbol. Now India on the world map. Let's study about the India on the world map. It lies in Asia. Here is your India. Right? Map can also be of small place like village, towns and cities. Map can also be made of country or a continent and even of entire world. Right? So what is map? It is 2-dimensional and it is a 2-dimensional representation of the earth. So in this chapter, I have told you about the map. What it is the diagrammatic representation of our earth. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.